G'day guys, welcome to the BBQ Store, your charcoal rotisserie experts. We're all about family and creating memories that last. So today we're going to show you how to cook a whole animal, a lamb on the spit. If you're wanting to do this, I want to show you how simple it is and how quick and easy you can do this. So first of all, we want to skewer the lamb on the spit, then we're going to go through how to balance it, how to light your fire, and away you go. So right now we're going to show you how to skewer the lamb. First thing I want to do is you want to get the long 2-prong fork so that it comes as a set. You've got one there and another one here. What we want to do is line it up with the skewer and the animal. So it's going to sit around about there, and that's about center on the bar. So first thing we're going to do is run the skewer through the lamb and then into the lamb. So what you want to do, sometimes you may hit some bone and you might need to move the forks a little bit, change the position so that you can get it in without hitting the bone, just like that. The next step is you want to get the leg brackets. So when you get these leg brackets, they may come with a U-shaped bolt on the other way around. I like to do it this way, and I'll show you the reason why. It's easier to tighten the wing nuts on top, but also the U-shaped bolt allows you to lock in the legs. So as you see, as I put this on now, when I put the leg through and I tighten down on it, you'll see how quick and easy and how the actual leg locks in. So now you'll see that the leg is actually locked in, and these U-shaped brackets are locking in the leg so it doesn't move anywhere. We get the next one in as well and do the exact same thing. Okay, that's really locked in well. Next part we want is a spine brace. Now you can use one, some people choose to use two. I guess it depends on the size and the weight of the animal, but in this case we've got a 15-kilo lamb. I find 15 kilos is a good weight. If you go a bit over that, the meat will start to toughen up. So you really don't want to be, pushing over about 17, 18 kilos as a max. But if you can get 14 to 16 kilos, and it really does depend on what the butcher has as well. So what you want to do is you want to puncture it from the inside out. So we're actually going to come on the inside, and we've got the spikes. The spikes will go through the actual lamb, and you'll see them come out on the other side. So from here, we put our plate on and our wing nuts, and that will tighten that spine brace onto the bar, the skewer rod, onto the spine brace. So once I've got that started, there's nowhere for it to go, and I can just tighten it up from the top. The important thing is, the reason why we do this is we don't want it turning or moving once it's on the spit, because it's going to be turning the whole cook, and we don't want it falling apart and being unbalanced. Balance is a huge thing, and that's what we're going to focus on. Okay, so one of the last steps is the rear fork. So again, we've got the same sort of situation here with these. So you might come across bone, and where you do, you might need to just reposition the spike. So okay, so that's it, we got it in. Lock them up. Okay, give them a really good tightening as well. You don't want these turning during the cook as well. So we've got that on. Now the last step is the leg brackets, doing the same thing with the wing nuts on top. Got this on. Now this is just nice and easy. The rear legs are always the easiest. Now you might be asking about marinating the lamb. I guess that's a topic for another day, but in my marinade, I believe in salt and garlic. So I am a minimalist, but it's up to you. Everyone does it different. Every family, every tribe will do it different. So it's up to you and your family what you like, what you prefer. Now guys, this is it. We've got our lamb secured. And you've seen how easy it is. 2 leg brackets, 2 long 2-prong forks, and a spine or back brace. And there you have it. The lamb's nice and secure. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take it over to the spit and we're going to show you how to counterbalance it. Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more cooking tips with the BBQ Store.